How to fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload and upload at the highest quality possible. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will show you how you can upload your Instagram stories at the highest quality, so you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to upload your Instagram story at the highest quality possible, all you need to do is to just go ahead and first launch the Instagram application. And once you launch the Instagram app, then you want to come to your profile page, and as you come to your profile page, just tap on the three lines from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to go to the option called settings, and once you go to settings, go to the option called account, and once you go to account, you want to go to the option called mobile data use. As you go to mobile data use, first of all, you can see high resolution media. You want to make sure you set this to mobile plus Wi-Fi, so that whenever you're on cellular, the quality also does not decrease. After that, you can find the option called data saver. You just want to make sure to turn off data saver. Now what you can try to do is just try to refresh and relaunch the Instagram application. Go about trying to post your video or anything that you were trying to do earlier, and see if that fixes the issue. But keep in mind that Instagram also has a specific resolution limit, which means that if you try to upload videos more of higher resolution than that, Instagram is going to compress those videos automatically, such as 4K or 2K videos. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.